Okay, so now we will try to understand how to use the studypool.com website. Okay, by that, how can you earn the money by selling your documents? Okay, up to $10, up to upload your document to earn up to $10 per document viewed. Suppose if you upload your documents, upload more files, either PDF or .doc, whatever document files. So if anybody views that your document or PDF, so $10 you will get per document. Okay. So it is a studypool.com. It is a website. By this, how can you earn the money by selling your study documents? Okay. Top contributors. Alan Mitch, $94,852 means almost 80 lakhs is that in top position, top earners. Huh? Second place, this boy, this Parma John, Chexmex, $80,000. So how can we use this study pool? This is the website address, studypool.com. Okay. Domain is equal, this is the studypool.com website address. Sometime we will call it as a domain name. Okay. Whenever you want to create your own website, you need to get this type of domain. Just I have briefed in a video how to host your website with free domain. Part one I have created. Part two I will explain, because that time I was getting only HTTPS site, not secured site by that. Okay, WordPress I have installed. Okay, after that I was getting HTTP site. So that's why in second, whenever I will get HTTPS, that is the free. By that, I told you that that is called Pro Free Host. Pro Free Host. Pro Free Host. Okay, that is what Pro Free Host. This is the Pro Free Host. This is the domain name, Pro Free Host. By this, I explained how to create your website, host your website with the free domain. But if you want to go for paid domain hosting, such type of sites are there, you can go there. Otherwise, if you want to launch your website, host your website as a with a free domain, you can go for this. I have created the video part one. Part two, why I have stopped. I was getting only HTTP, not secure protocol. Actually, nowadays everything is HTTP, secure protocol. Whenever I get, I will create the second part. Here, how to use your studypool.com to earn the money up to $10 per document. For this, by this you can do what? If you have old assignments at you have prepared for any classes, that for that, if you made your assignments about your homework, projects, reports, presentations, papers. So for anything above, you have your assignments and you can upload. Okay, you need to create an account. First of all, create an account here within this. And next, class notes. If you have your class notes, detailed class and lecture notes, your handwritten notes, okay, so that will be helpful to the students. So if you upload here, okay, which are related with your study concepts, class notes, handwritten class notes, if you have, you can upload. If anybody view that your documents, so you will get $10. Quiz exam paper preparations. So if you have prepared for any exams, like what in India, UPSC exams are there, railway recruitment board exams, bank exams, probationary offer, grade 4, grade 2, grade 3, any exam, if you have prepared yourself, that question papers, exam prep, answer sheets, exam question and answers, practice tests, exam preparation material, study guide. If you have any study guides that will be helpful to other students, so you can upload by upload. So you need to create an account. After that, whenever you log into that account, then you click on sell documents. After that, you click on upload, and from your computer, your PDF documents, .doc, okay, you can upload multi-language content. We accept content in all languages from all countries. So if all the countries throughout the world, how many countries are there? 202 countries are there. So all languages, they will accept all these different languages content. Okay, whenever you upload your documents, here shows documents are pending. Approved documents will be shown here. So normally 48 hours they will take to approve your documents. They are requesting for help students find your document by providing strong title. So whenever you you are creating your document or PDF, keep a proper strong titles so that the content will be reached to the student. Okay, so your content will be, there is a chance for sales by 480%. Okay, and don't upload duplicate documents. Don't have the time to upload documents at one time. Okay, so if you have don't if you don't have any more time to upload all the documents, put all the documents in a zip file, okay, or a folder, and you can upload. Next is what they're requesting, not to upload duplicate content. Suppose this is what I have uploaded. So suppose self-awareness, it is a document. So you have uploaded this as a document. After that, you want to upload this as a PDF file. So it is duplicate, na? So keep any one either document, otherwise PDF, whatever. Okay, don't duplicate. And they are requesting for, it will take 48 hours. If many documents you are sending, it will take somewhat longer time. Okay, do not mix poor quality content. Always try to give good quality content. So means your handwritten notes you want to upload, but they are not, visibility is not clear and blur is there, and torn, notes. So not good quality content. Try to upload. Okay, if you upload low quality content, it will take time, very large processing delays, and potentially all content. So here, and you can become the tutor also. Okay, if you want to become online tutor, you can become a tutor. You can click on here and you become a tutor. Tutor for what? If you want to become a tutor for programming side, if you are very talented, C sharp, C programming, Linux, all this Java, this and so many languages. If you are master in any one topic, you update your details. Okay, become tutor. Click on here, and under this tutor, you can, like what you if you want to become a tutor, click on this become tutor. Okay, after that, fill your personal information, your background and biodata. Okay, personal information, your first name, last name. Okay, what is your name, your address, country. Okay, where are you living? Okay, how did you hear about us? So you specify here. Like me, I am briefing all the things. You are the first one. You don't know about this, but I am briefing you. So I explain somebody else, army retired person. He has briefed me that this type of studypool.com is here. By that, we can upload a lot of documents and we can become a tutor also. Education, you need to fill your education. Okay, and what is your field of study. So you need to explain in which field you are master. You are programming, teacher, mathematics, science, like what? Your experience, everything, work experience, academic experience. When did you complete? Okay, Suppose if you are completed in job title employee, so from working experience from here to here. Okay, so that's why it will indicate that this is your background biodata, so that you, if you want to become a tutor online, like what come back here. If you want to, as I told you, that click. hmm? If you want to become a tutor, okay, next answer questions. Okay, so here so many questions you will get posted by answer questions. Okay, this is for your personal biodata. You want to become a, okay, if you want to become a tutor. Next is what, the cell documents. Your uploads will be here. You can see your uploads, and whether it is processing. I have uploaded some content, so it is processing. It will take 48 hours. How it works: upload document, upload your class notes, old homework. If you exam quiz preparation, zip files. Okay, files are approved. So whatever the content you upload, that will be reviewed by their system and approves. Once your document is approved, you can see documents approved here. Okay, if anything is declined, you will see. So rejected documents will be seen here. Then after, you earn up to $10 every time a student. Payment methods: PayPal, like what? PayPal, these are some what payment methods for you. How will you get the payment method? Okay. Next, I understood. Come down here. Where is that study? Study pool. Okay, here you click on study pool again. Okay. Next, here's earn money selling study documents, earn up to $5,000 a month. We share your documents, earn up to $5,000 US dollars a month. We share your documents with tens of millions of students. You get up to $10 every time a student views one. So here, as I told you, you can become a tutor. You can sell your documents. Okay. Study tools, note bank, plagiarism checker. Plagiarism checker. See, I will explain. Study tools, plagiarism checker. So whenever you write any content, okay, by with the help of AI, artificial intelligence. So if there is any duplicacy, you want to check if whether the content is unique or not. You can, by this you can check back plagiarism checker. Notebook. Okay. Next word. So see how to upload the documents. So mathematics, from mathematics side, you are so fit. Statistics, you know very well. Algebra, all the math, cryptography, mathematics, linear algebra, graphic, graphs, this and the numerical analysis. So science side, you are perfect. You know very well botany, chemistry. You want to become the tutor, online tutor for these topics. Okay, you can become, you can select. Writing side, if you have any quality, accounting, all these grammar, geology, business, poetry, philosophy. Okay, article writing. Writing side, if you are so perfect, you can write the contents. Humanities side, if you know very well about these topics, all these, okay. Once you visit the site and you whatever the skills you have and you explore your skills and develop your send that whatever the skills you have, either become online tutor, otherwise you sell your documents as I told you, that your assignments, your quiz papers, your exam preparation notes, if you have your handwritten notes, multi-language content, if you have, you can upload. Okay, Studypool is a universal site and it will give a lot of help to you. So somewhat do's and don'ts here. Do's, high quality, always they are expecting from you. So if you want to get maximum earnings, high quality, your quality, so their system will check that content uploaded by you, that should be very high quality. So you need to add the details of the documents. So if you add the details of the documents, so that will help to the students. So find documents. So give a proper label to the documents with the strong titles. Okay. So some university course details, what course this topic is related with which course, whether it is engineering stream, science stream, medical stream, administration, management stream. Okay. So if you do like this, that will be reached to maximum students and sales by 480%. So content must whatever you are providing, that must have educational value, okay, meaningful, okay. Don't low quality content, don't upload. That will be rejected. Huh? So it means low quality content means you want to send any upload, but there's no any explanation, there's no any proper answers, and that content has no any educational value. Okay, so I think it is not to upload. Users with a history of low quality content will be removed. So you are repeatedly upload. ఆహా! ఒప్పుకోను. అసలు ర్యాపిడ్ అసలు తలనొప్పులుంది. కళ్ళ నరం కదులుతా ఉన్నాయి. పొద్దున్నే సర్లేదు. So, shift చేయాలి.